We recently added the Volvo electric trucks into our fleet. The decision was made to look at reducing our carbon emissions on a daily basis, and by going electric, that certainly assisted with that decision. Since taking delivery of the two FMX electrics, the ownership experience has been first class, in line with every other truck that we've got with Volvo. We have had no issues. The operating range has been in line with expectations and with what we were told by Crossroads when we purchased the vehicles. I think the biggest surprise for us with the electric trucks is you can operate them further afield. You don't have to be drawn into just using them local to your head office or your depots. You can get them away, and they can work nationwide with the correct infrastructure in place and the correct planning. You've got to plan ahead. Obviously there isn't a fuel station you can just pull over and top up if needs be, so you've got to strategise and plan and just ensure that everything's in place to make sure that they can operate successfully.
Since I've started driving the electric truck, I have drove diesel ones in between, but I wouldn't like to go back full time. I do prefer an electric. They're a lot smoother and a lot more easier to drive in my book.
It's very important for us that our customers are seeing that we are doing what we can, where we can, to reduce emissions, and by introducing the electric vehicles, it's certainly a step in the right direction.
You get a massive, well, I've had a massive reaction, at traffic lights and things like that when you've stopped and you've stood still. People can't quite believe these things are fully electric. With a diesel vehicle, you get what we call diesel lag, but with these the power is very, very direct. They're very smooth from a driver's perspective. They're fantastic to drive. They're wonderful to drive.
Crossroads have been very supportive of our e-mobility journey. They came to us in the first instance with the trucks, identified that they saw potential utilisation for them in our field, and have supported us with the aftermarket, as they always do. We expect that our electric truck fleet will grow in time. Obviously, as the infrastructure becomes more widely available, we will definitely expand the fleet. We certainly feel that the government should be doing more to assist the integration of electric vehicles, especially the trucks, by adding further infrastructure up and down the country. Our clients are also very encouraging of the use of the trucks, and they're seeing it as a way to work with us on many of these large-scale projects in the goal of reducing emissions and going carbon neutral. I would certainly advise any companies looking to invest in the electric trucks is give it a go, get on the journey and make it work.